Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing? I trust you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you all how to make this delicious chicken stew. This stew was so delicious. And if today is your first time on my channel, thanks for clicking to this video. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. So guys, let's get right into the video. So into a clean pot, I added my nicely washed chicken. So I went in with some chopped onions and fresh pepper. So I went ahead to add some bay leaves, thyme, seasoning cube, chicken seasoning, garlic powder and ginger. Then I added some salt. I'm going to mix everything together. So after I'm done mixing everything together, I'm going to cover this to cook. I won't be adding water at this point. I'm going to allow this chicken to bring out its own juice. I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook. Then after some minutes, I'm going to add in some I'm going to stir, then I will add some water, then allow the chicken to cook until it is very soft and tender. So at this point, our chicken is nicely cooked. I'm just going to stir. Then I will take this off the heat. We are going to be frying the chicken. You can as well use the chicken like this if that's what you want. Sometimes I do make use of the chicken like that, but today I'm going to be frying the chicken before using it. So the next thing I did was to put some vegetable oil into my clean pan. Then I went in with onion and I'm going to be adding the chicken into the hot oil. I will allow this to fry for some minutes, then I will flip it over for the other side to get fried too. So once I'm done frying, I'm going to take it off the heat. Okay. So at this point, the chicken is nicely fried. I don't want it to be too dry because I don't like my chicken to be too dry. So once I'm done, I'm going to set this aside. You can see how beautiful the chicken is looking. So I'm going to set it aside. So now let's make the stew. Here I have my tomatoes, onions, bell pepper, long red pepper, habanero pepper. So I will rinse the tomatoes, remove the seed from the bell peppers, then I will blend everything together. Then after blending it, I'm going to set it aside as well. So into my clean pot, I went in with the same oil I used in frying the chicken. So I just added a little more because the oil was not enough. So I allowed it to hot, then I went in with some chopped onions. Then I'm going to stir that. So after some minutes, I went in with the tomato paste. I'm going to be frying this for 3 to 4 minutes. So the next thing I did was to add in some curry powder and thyme. So I'm going to stir all this together and allow it to fry for some seconds. Then I added the tomato mix. After adding this, I'm just going to stir together. Then I will allow this to fry until the water is dried up. And guys, if you are watched to this point, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. Please keep watching, keep liking, and keep commenting. Alright, so after the water has dried up, I went in with some seasoning and some salt. Then I went in with the chicken stock, that is the chicken broth. Then I'm going to allow this to cook. So now I'm going to be adding the fried chicken. Then I went in with some crayfish. Guys, what is stew without crayfish? So I added crayfish and I'm going to stir this together. Then allow it to cook for extra 5 to 8 minutes. And guys, look at that. Look how yummy this stew is looking. And it was so delicious. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, okay? And also drop me a comment. So guys, I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.